How to fix iPhone battery draining after iOS 18 update. Let's get started. First, try restarting your iPhone. After new updates need a restart to settle it properly, and this can resolve many performance issues, including battery drain. Launch your Settings app. Now navigate to the option of General. Scroll all the way down. Click on the option of Shutdown. You'll get the slider. Slide that icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Another tip is to turn off background app refresh. Go to the main page of Settings, click on General, click on the option Background App Refresh. Now here you're gonna find the list of the apps. You can disable this for the apps that don't need constantly update. Or what you can do is, at the very top you'll see the option of Background App Refresh, set it to off. Next, disable location services. For that, head back, then go to the main page of Settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of Privacy and Security. Now click on Location Services. Now here you're gonna find the app's name. Click on it and set it to Never or Ask. Or what you can do is disable for this option Location Services given at the very top. Finally, make sure you are on the latest version of iOS 18. To check that, head back. Click on the option General. Then click on the option Software Update. If you find any updates over here, just update your phone software to its latest version. With these quick adjustments, you should see an improvement in your battery life. That's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.